Hey everybody, this is Cluck0 here to do a quick tutorial on how to fix your broken Smite client. So, if you're like me and had the problem where your Smite client says it's still in closed beta, this is what you're going to need to do. First off, you're going to need to locate your high-res studio folder. If you're like me and have two hard drives, it'll probably be under your C drive, but if you decide to install it to your other drive, you'll find it under the Programs 86 folder. Scroll down, and your high-res folder should be in here. Or, if you install it to your regular C drive, it'll be in your Programs 86 folder. So, the first step to troubleshooting this is to first uninstall the game, and as well as all high-res studio updates. So you go to your control panel, Programs and Features, scroll down to the high-res studio programs. There it is. High-res Studio's Authenticate and Update service, as well as the Smite game itself, you will want to uninstall both those games, as well as any other games that you have installed from High-Res Studios. During the uninstallation, you might run into an error. If you do, this is where we're going to find some problems. If not, just uninstall it to the regular programs file, and you should have no more problems. If, like me, you were unable to uninstall it from the Programs 86 folder, this is what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to go into your computer, go to where the High-Res Studio folder is, and scroll down. So, for this example, I used a new folder, and this folder has similar properties to what my original thing had. When I try to delete it, it won't let me. So, what this means is that, for some strange reason, you don't have permission to this folder. So, the first option to fixing this is to go access the driver itself, go to Properties, go to Security, go to your name, Edit, and give full control to the user that you are. Afterwards, hit Apply, and you should be done. Now go back into the folder, go back to the folder itself, click on the folder, and try to delete again. If you get this error again, you're going to have to go to the next step. Next, we're going to have to uninstall a program. We'll have to install a program called Unlocker. What Unlocker does is that it completely ignores most of Windows' built-in security features. So, after installing this feature, which I already have, you install it quickly. So then you go to Start Unlocker, run as administrator. Go into the file location where you'll find your High-Res Studio folder. Click on it. Hit OK. Go to Actions, hit Delete. After hitting OK, if it works, and there should be no more folder, then you'll have to reinstall High-Res Studio, uninstall it again, and then install it in a different driver location. But if you get an error like this, what you're going to have to do is something a little bit different. Now, you can either look on the internet for other solutions to this problem, or you can do this one that I'm going to show you. Hit no to the solution perform at boot up because it's not necessary and it won't run properly. Hit no. Alright then, so you go to Ubuntu.com, go to Downloads, download Ubuntu Desktop. Once you get the folder, just use the instructions on the website to put it onto a USB stick. Now, I sadly won't be able to show you anything from the next part because I can't run my computer and the recording software at the same time while using Ubuntu. So I'll just explain quickly what it does. When you run Ubuntu on your computer at boot up, instead of running Windows, it'll run Ubuntu. What this means is all the security features that run with Windows will not be active. So you'll be able to go into the folder structure and just right-click delete while in the Ubuntu software and delete the file. Now remember though, don't delete anything else other than the High-Res Studio folder. Because if you do, you could be damaging files that are important to your PC. Because since there's no security features, Ubuntu will not know what files are important to the other operating system. So keep that in mind when deleting files using this feature. So after deleting the folder and getting rid of it, you will go back into Windows, reinstall High-Res Studio, then you will uninstall it, then reinstall it to the regular programs file, not the Programs 86. Because the Programs 86 file often has restrictions on the file itself, which is why it won't update in the first place. Well, I hope this video did help you with any problems that you're having with your Smite clients, and please leave a comment or suggestions or helpful tips in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.